Hi friends, this video shows how to download and install iOS 17.4. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select general. Select about. First I am going to check the current version of iOS. Select about. Here we can see the iOS version 17.03. Go back. Then tap on software update. Now it's checking for software update. Okay, done. It shows there is an update iOS 17.4. Size of the update is 2.4 GB. This update introduces new emoji transcripts in Apple Podcast and includes other features, bug fixes and security updates for your iPhone. If you want to see more details, you can tap on learn more. There we can see more details about this update. Tap on done and go back. We can tap on update now. Tap on this button. That way we can download and install this update in this iPhone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.